Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a gorgeous 2009 Subaru Forester XT Limited. Very partial to the Subaru brand just because that's what we specialize in mechanically here at Meticulous Motors. We fix, build, modify, tune all of these Subarus, and we picked this one up, and it's a 3-owner, no accident, auto check certified Subaru. It comes with Michelin tires all the way around, 4-wheel disc brakes. Beautiful symmetrical all-wheel drive system, halogen headlights, and comes with fog lights, and it also comes with this nice kind of a premium under chin spoiler lip package on it, so that's very good as well too. Comes powered with an EJ255 4-cylinder boxer motor turbo. As you can see, it has the intercooler mounted up top, and then this is the ducting for channeling the airflow into the intercooler. This one we did quite a bit of work to get it back 100% perfect. We've done head gaskets, turbo rebuild, new air-fuel ratio sensor, new valve cover gaskets and tube seals, along with a radiator, water pump, timing belt, and a new battery. So everything that you would need to make sure that this is going to go for the next 100,000 miles has been done. The big 100,000 mile service has been done, and it's all been done by trained professionals. That this is what we do all day, every day. We get tons of Subarus in our shop, and we definitely know what we're doing. So I'm very confident and pleased to offer that this one's for sale, and just very good peace of mind knowing that you're not going to run into any issues down the road. Now, with this one being the XT Limited, it does come with a full leather interior, power windows, locks, mirrors, and a driver's seat. This one is equipped with dual heated seats for the perforated leather, and it's equipped with all-weather floor mats from Subaru. So it comes with nice big glove box compartment, nice clean dash. This is a beautiful navigation system, and it comes with the charging port. Has an automatic 4EAT transmission along with Tiptronic, so you can power shift in sport mode, and it also has plenty of storage in the center console armrest there, and it does come with keyless entry. Unfortunately, this was the year just before auxiliary, so it's not equipped with that. It's the only downfall, but it does come with roof racks. Again, it is all-wheel drive symmetrically, so if you lose traction on one wheel, you can regain traction on all the other ones through that system. It's one of the best all-wheel drive systems on the market. It inspired Cadillac and Ferrari to take their design so they could effectively have a proper all-wheel drive system. So as you can see, it had the split fold 60/40 rear seats, and then it has the button there to tilt the seats as well too. And as you saw, the dual cup holders and the center console armrest. The cup holders are pretty nice because when you open it up, it does have a scratch here. It has that nice silver coloring that you see on the center console, so that's a pretty neat little feature. It does have some scratching here. It has the OEM mud guards. It does have a dual exit exhaust system as well as a trailer hitch in case you need to pull anything. I think it is rated up to 3,500 pounds, so give you some pulling power there. Does come with the trunk mat and storage mat with the Subaru bag with all the tools, and then the Subaru all-weather mat up top, and then the Forester XT designation. XT is the designation for turbo, and it does come with the rear spoiler, 4-wheel disc brakes, so plenty of performance. And the vehicle pulls hard. Turbo kicks in nicely, transmission shifts smoothly, so no problems there. Comes with the automatic roll down window for the driver's side only. And then it has its power side view mirrors here, a traction control system, steering wheel controls for cruise and radio, and it has a leather wrapped steering wheel. And let's kick her on. So it's got 119,000 original 3-owner miles. So no warning lights on the dash, everything's out. It revs up nicely and idles smoothly. Our radio sounds nice, and then switching over to the navigation map, we have that right there. And then we have home link, compass, all located in the rear view mirror. We have the sunglass storage. We have the dual slide vanity mirrors. Some mood lighting here and our map lighting. And then a very large panoramic sunroof that opens basically half of the roof open to the atmosphere, so that's pretty nice. The AC is ice cold, freezing, so no problems there either. So like I said, we fully have redone this vehicle to make it 100% ready to rock and roll, and it's a beautiful Subaru. It's a rare Subaru, and if you want, come on down and take a look at this beautiful this beautiful 2009 Subaru Forester XT Limited, exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.